Hi there, sexy chooms. Today we will talk about a small keyboard tool that I bought at Monaco Keys. And it's a wonderful double-shot Monaco Keys keycap. Nah, just kidding, the keycap is just a goodie from the shop. Let's try this TX Multitool 5-in-1. Mainframe is made of aluminum. It's very well machined and looks sturdy. Multitool comes with 3 pairs of plastic attachments, clamps. These are 2 U-clamps, 3 U-clamps, one U-clamps, and we also get a pair of keyboard protectors for switch puller function. The plastic clamps are designed so that they won't damage your keycaps nor your keyboard, unlike this frigging metal wire keycap puller. Let's start with the 1 U-clamps. You can easily insert the clips into the slots of the mainframe. It works fine. Let's try with the 2 U-clamps. Wrong side. Works better this way. All good. Now let's try with the 3 U-clamps. Oh, it worked! I'm a little bit surprised, because keycaps tend to slip off the 3 U-clamps if you don't put an even pressure all along them. Let's try to show how it can fail. Well, I guess these keycaps are loose enough so that it won't matter. I will have to use them with another keyboard to show some failed attempts. You can use the 3 U-clamps to remove the spacebar, of course. Now I'm using the keyboard protector tips so that I can use the switch puller without damaging the keyboard. It's doing the job. The multi-tool can also work as a switch opener for MX switches and KL switches. There are holes at the tail end of the mainframe. They are designed to measure pole length. Well, this one is too long, so it's a long pole. There are also slots at the tail end. They are designed to measure PCB thickness, 1.6 mm versus 1.2 mm. Okay, let's check this QK75N PCB. It doesn't fit into the thinner slot, but it does into the wider one. .6 mm indeed. This multi-tool looks good, right? But maybe my keycaps were just old and loose enough. So let's carry out some more tests with other keyboards. Old PBD fan Spark on new SWK GM V2. Successful 3U pulling. New Cap Midas on new Everglide Aqua King V3. Failed. If you put pressure all along the clamp end, you can help the multi-tool pull multiple keycaps. Old YMDK Miami on Gateron Banana. Failed. Once again, putting pressure on the clamp end will help. Random AliExpress keycaps on Ako Penguin. Failed. Clamp end pressure. Success. If you want to use 3U clamps in a more efficient way, there is a tip. I exchanged some mails with Michael from Monaco Keys, and he suggested I should dip the plastic clamps in warm water, bend them inwards, and freeze the shape while dipping it in cold water. Well, it worked. You don't need to bend them a lot, a small bending will be enough. Another tip. If you have troubles removing the clamps from the main frame with your nails, you can use the square tail end of other plastic clamps to unclip the one you are using. Personally, I'm a little bit worried about damaging this plastic part, so I would rather use the handle of my pliers like this. In conclusion, this TX multi-tool is a useful keyboard tool. The pros: mainframe is well machined, integrated switch opener works well, plastic clamps will not damage your keyboard, the combination of keycap puller, switch opener, pole measuring tool, PCB thickness measuring tool is a very nice feature. The cons: plastic clamps can fail pulling keycaps due to lack of pressure. Plastic clamps are not easily removable, maybe skill issue from my part. I question the lifetime of the plastic part. We'll have a better idea in the future. See you guys, enjoy your day and your keyboard.